Alright guys, so today I'm making this video here to show you how to select your photos for retouching. So once you receive your gallery, I'm sharing my screen right now. So once you receive your gallery, you should see something like this. First is going to be the main image, and then when you scroll down, you may see a slideshow there, a few options there, gallery, slideshow, scenes, so you can jump into the right section. But you're going to go down to the scene, which is the actual gallery. So this is the gallery right here. And what you want to do is you want to come to, for example, a photo that you want to select for retouching. You hover on top of the photo. Once you hover on top of the photo, you should see a few options here at the bottom. One of them is to heart the image. The second one is to email it, send it to a friend. The third one is to share it on social media. And then we have a flag. Once you hover on the flag, you'll see a selection shows up to it, and it says select your top 10 for retouching, or select your photos for photo album. So you're gonna click on where you would like to add this photo to. Would you like to add it to your final retouching images? Would you like to add it to your photo album? If the option is there, select where you want this photo to be added to. And once I receive all of this, when I open up my back end, I will see all the photos that you have selected for retouching, and those are the ones that I will retouch and send them to you once everything is done. All right, so thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.